Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. On May 27, 1893, Magdalena Gonzaga Halandone, a Hiligaynon poet, playwright, and novelist, was born in Haro, Iloilo City. Her work spanned from the coming of Malay settlers in the Middle Ages up to the Spanish and American colonial eras, as well as the Japanese occupation of World War II, all portraying the history of Panay and the evolution of the Ilonggo culture. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Ang kanyang sikat na tula na Ang Gitara ay binabasa sa mga silid-aralan sa buong bansa ngayon. Her other famous works includes Annabella, Sa Kapaang Sang Inaway, Ang Dalaga sa Tindahan, and Ang Kahapon ng Panay. Throughout her turbulent and displaced life, she still managed to publish 36 novels, 122 short stories, 7 novelettes, 7 long plays, 24 short plays, and dialogues in verse that followed 2 volumes, 7 volumes of personally compiled, also essays, including several translations from Spanish and 2 autobiographies. Dalawang beses siyang nawala ng tirahan sa kanyang bayan at nakaligtas sa Rebolusyong Pilipino, Digmaang Pilipino-Amerikano at pananakop ng Hapon. Noong 1977, natanggap niya ang prestiyosong Republic Cultural Heritage Award para sa kanyang mga nagawang pampanitikan mula sa gobyerno, mga isang taon bago siya namatay noong September 14, 1978 sa edad na 85. Nakatayo pa rin ang ancestral house ng kanyang pamilya bilang isang historical landmark at museum na hindi kalayuan sa Katedral ng Haro. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Jane Austen, there is a stubbornness about me that never can bear to be frightened at the will of others. My courage always rises at every attempt to intimidate me.